Um, okay, hello everyone. Okay, hello everyone. This is our second class on Google Docs. I hope you can see my screen. Okay, this is our second class on Google Doc. In today's class, actually, we will do a few more features. So I told you, like MS Word, we will not have lots of features on Google Docs. As far as we can, we will do it. Today we'll learn how to insert image, insert a link, insert a table, and some more features. Okay. First of all, I'll show you how to insert a link actually. How to insert a link. So what does it mean by insert a link? So if you go to the doc, Google Docs, so last class we learned how to create a doc, how to work on it. So like I have a doc here already, test doc. I'm not going to show you how to create. Okay, I will show you again actually. Click on this button, click on the new document. That's how we can insert a new doc. Like here, write something first. We can write anything issue in university or we know. So you can write, we know it. Okay, I will show you how to insert a link. Link means you can create a link on some word. If you click on that word, you will go to the website of something that you have merged with this. How? Like click on this plus button. Here you will get lots of options: link, image, table, or something. If you click on the link, like if you want to write something, AUW, give a text AUW, and in the link you will give the link of the address. Like I want to here give the link of the address of Asian University for Women. So it's already suggesting me actually. It's suggesting me that this is the link. So click here and click on this arrow button. That means select this one. So in the text, you have now AW. Now it looks like a link actually. If you click on this word now, it will go to the address Chrome. It will go to the address of Asian University for Women. See, it's going to the address of Asian University for Women because I have created a link on that word. Hmm. So actually, it's going to the Asian University for Women website. My internet is slow. Okay, like anything. Okay, it's showing actually. Okay, now I'll show you like I want to add like another link, for example, like anything. I click on the plus sign, click on the link. I want to give a link on like uh, Sakib Al Hasan. He's one of the finest cricketers of Bangladesh. Shakib Al Hasan. So I want to give a link to Shakib Al Hasan. Like it's already suggesting me the Wikipedia page of Shakib Al Hasan. So it's good. Another thing, if you click on this link, you know that like our previous one, or automatically will get a link, and this link will go to the Shakib Al Hasan's web page, Wikipedia. So click here, select this one, click here. So there is we have another link, Shakib Al Hasan. If you click on it, it will go to the Wikipedia page of Shakib Al Hasan. Click Chrome, like it's showing now the Wikipedia page of Shakib Al Hasan. See about him. He's one of the greatest cricketers actually. So you'll get it. So that's how you can create link. And another thing, like I want to add some random link. Click on the plus sign. Again, link. I want to make it test. Like here, I want to like add the link of, for example, um, like there's a blog here, KD Nuggets. I want to, or towards data science, for example, I want to add that blog here, for example. So it's not suggesting me here. So what should I do? Just click here, click on the Chrome. Uh, okay, click on the Chrome. Click for like just a, I want to add a blog, KD Nuggets. It's a famous blog. Like click on the KD Nuggets. I need just a link actually. Click on the KD Nuggets. So I got it. It takes time to open. Now I will copy this link actually. So this is a blog actually. I want to copy this blog link. So click on this button here, then copy sign. You know how to copy. I have copied a link. Then click on my document again. Click on the link and paste it. You know how to copy paste now. Then click on the OK sign. So now test. If you click on the test now, it will go to the KD Nugget that blog. You know, I have added this blog. See, it's opening that blog. So that's how if you don't get the required address here, you can search it by yourself, then copy that address and keep it here. That's how we can add some link on our data, on our document. Okay. Now there is another option how to insert some table and image actually. Inserting table actually, it doesn't look perfect here on our doc file, but I will show you. Like click on this plus sign, you will get an option here table. Click on the table, like then you can select how many columns or rows you want to insert. In your computer on Microsoft Word, it's a very important feature table. You can insert your data result there. But here in doc, it doesn't look perfect actually. Like I want to insert 2 columns and 2 rows. So you can change it by clicking on the arrow. I want to insert and like 3 rows, 2 columns and 3 rows, for example. Then click on the insert table. See, here my table has 2 columns and 3 rows. So it doesn't fit my screen actually. So this is the disadvantage of using mobile for this application. But I have see 2 columns and 3 rows. Like then you can insert some data in your table. Like I want ID in the first column, then just check name in the second column. So it's not convenient or flexible for mobile actually using table or other things. So that's the challenges I told you in the first class. If you use a smartphone, you will not be able to use all of the features smoothly. Then you can insert some data here, like in ID, you can give ID of some students, like his ID is AA, for example. Second one ID is BB, whatever it is. Name is like Fatima. Then name is like Ripa. So that's how actually in my table I have 2 columns, ID, name, and I have some IDs and some names. But for viewing the whole table, I have to show it, drag it, keep it here and there. It doesn't look perfect actually. But that's how we can insert a table in our data, in our document, and also you can delete these some rows and columns actually. So how can you delete? If you click on the left side here actually, this the whole row will be selected. See, click on the I have clicked on the, again on the left, just left of the AA, the whole row will be selected. Then you can work on it. Like again click on the right, then you will have some option cut, copy, paste. Click on this dot, then you will have option delete row, delete table, insert link. If I click on the delete row, see this row has been deleted. Now we have only 2 rows. So if you want to delete a row, select this, then you can click on the delete row, it will delete the row. Also, there are some other option, merge cell, but try to export this by yourself. I'm not showing this because table is not actually perfect for the mobile document. So, but if I ask you to insert some table, it will be very simple table. You will be able to know, learn it, how to insert it. Just click on the plus sign, insert the table, then how many rows and columns, select it, and that's it. And then I might ask you to give some data here because it's not actually flexible work on table on the smartphone. Okay, so that's how we can insert table. But remember, like, table is a very important feature for Microsoft Word. For doc on a smartphone, it's tough for us to use it smoothly. Then we will learn how to insert an image actually. Like I want to insert an image. Before that, I want to write something. For example, I want to copy something about Asian University for Women. I want to just copy some data from Wikipedia. Just this data. I have just that so that I have some. Yeah, no, nothing special actually. You know how to do it. Okay, now I want to insert an image. How can I insert it? Very simple. Uh, Actually, before that, you have to download an image. So I will show it how to do it. Click on the image from photos, from camera, from web. So you can also insert an image from web. First of all, let me check. For example, I have downloaded the image uh, from in my mobile. So I will select it from my photos. Click on the photos. So there are lots of images on my photos actually. You can see it, a peculiar image. So if you save it on your like mobile, you will get lots of this. Like I have inserted this one. For example, take it as AOW image. So you can download a AOW image before creating the document. Then it will be inserted. Like here now you can see I have inserted an image in my document. That's how you can insert it. Let me check. Can you work more on it? So if I have clicked on the insert image, now actually there are, if you, again I am showing it, click on the insert image. If you click on the insert image, then click on this dot dot, you will have some option. Okay, to delete it, to delete the image, or to insert some link, to replace the image. You can have this option to replace the image, and image option, some other image options you can. Okay, now I have clicked on the image option. Okay, then there are some text wrap inline. If you, by default it's inline, if you make it wrap text, then something, then break text. So I have selected wrap one. It will wrap text. See what happened. Click here. So it's saying that, see, it's not smooth actually on using computer. So it has gone here actually below the text. So it was previously there. Now it has gone below the text. Again, select it. Select here. Select image options. Now change it. Make it inline again. Click on the document again. So it has gone actually below the text. So cut, I have selected cast, and before that I want to paste it. Select and paste. Now it has again come just above the text. So you see it's actually tough to use all of the features on a smartphone. But again, select the image. Let me check. Can you do something else? Again, image option. Then you can actually border, change the border weight. See, if you change it, I hope you can see its border is changing. So you can work on it. Border dash reset image. So that's how you can insert image. So actually, if I ask you to insert an image, I will not go for something very difficult. I will just ask you to insert the image. That will be it. So we learned actually how to insert an image, how to insert a table. In the table, we can insert some data. Now it looks good actually after inserting image. Now, previously it was not actually adjusting my screen. Now it looks okay. If I ask you insert a table, I might ask you very simple, two row, two columns, something like that. And link, I can ask you to insert a link. And if I ask you to insert a table, I will just ask you to insert the image. Sorry, insert an image. I will not ask you to place it or make it position inside the in the center of the paragraph or right align of the paragraph. We can do it in our computer actually, but in mobile we cannot do it. Okay, that's how we can insert table, insert image. So there are something option like I have clicked on this sign dot sign at the top right. If I here you will get some more options. So if I click on the word count, see in my document how it will show you data, how many words, how many characters are there. There are total 49 words. Character means how many alphabets actually, or comma, punctuation. These are the characters. 326 characters. So if you click on this word count, you will get the data about your document. How many words, how many characters are there. Okay, let me check. Did we miss something? Oh. Okay, there is another thing actually. If you click on the plus sign page number, you'll get click on the first format. You will get the page number here. Number one page. Then this is number two page. So you can insert page number on your document also. So this is actually important. So here, if you have few more pages, it will show that number 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how you can insert page number. Okay. And actually, you can explore some other options by yourself. So actually, that's all for today. I told you in doc, it's tough for us to get all of the features smoothly. But somehow I showed you in the first class, in the next class, I showed you some important features where you can create some documents by yourself on your computer, on your mobile. Okay. And that's actually all for today. Thank you.